What is up, guys? It's TimeForDillon back at it again with another crypto video. What is up, guys? It's TimeForDillon back at it again with another crypto video. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys are awesome. If you're new here, subscribe, bell icon, get notified when I post new videos because it's all time sensitive. In today's video, you already know what we have to talk about. We got to talk about this breaking news in the crypto space. Yes, of course, EDX, the brand new cryptocurrency exchange, is now open, live, and ready to trade on. You can trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I don't know if there's more cryptos, but so far, everything is up and running. Everyone can get on there and trade. And the biggest part about this story is that this exchange is backed by Charles Schwab and Fidelity, two of the largest asset managers on the planet. So we have a lot to talk about in today's video. Make sure you guys stay tuned until the end so you don't miss out on everything that we have to talk about in today's video. First thing we have to talk about, as always, is we have to take a quick look at the crypto market. And as you guys see, we are on fire today. Things looking absolutely phenomenal. Global crypto market cap up 3.2% on the day. We're back up to $1.11 trillion. And of course, Bitcoin really leading the charge. You guys already know I say this all the time. When Bitcoin moves, the market follows. Bitcoin dominance back up to almost 50%, 49%. We are now sitting at $28,149. Insane to see. 5.31% rip on the day. We're up almost 9% on the week. What is causing this rip? What is causing this price action in Bitcoin? You already know, guys. We talked about it yesterday. Of course, when I made this video, I talked about two huge bullish narratives for Bitcoin. And that, of course, is BlackRock and Fidelity both jumping into the crypto arena and filing formal paperwork for a Bitcoin spot ETF. This is huge news because, as you know, if you've been in the space for any time, everyone has been talking about the golden standard of ETFs in the crypto space. And of course, that is the spot ETF. We all want a spot ETF for Bitcoin. Why? Because it requires these massive trillion-dollar entities to actually purchase and self-custody the Bitcoin. And as you guys know, what will that do to the price? It will drive the price up. There's only X number of Bitcoin in circulation. Really, there's 21 million that will ever exist. There's still about, I don't know, under a million left to be mined, something like that. And there's several million that have been lost. So if there are more and more Bitcoin that are purchased up and held, not being sold, that means that the actual amount of free Bitcoin on the market that can be purchased is decreasing, which does what? It drives the price up. This is Econ 101. It's called price shock, right? Which is caused by supply shock. So, of course, this is a super bullish narrative that we have been waiting for a very long time. As I laid out in the video yesterday, we have BlackRock, which is the #1 largest asset manager on the planet with some estimates say even 10 or even $11 trillion worth of assets under management, people. If we just get 5% of that assets, right? 5% of $10 trillion is $500 billion, guys. So if we just get $500 billion thrown into Bitcoin, that's going to make the price skyrocket, people. As you guys can see, Bitcoin's market cap right now is 500 billion. So that would literally cause the price of Bitcoin to double overnight if BlackRock were to just go and bingo bango acquire $500 billion worth of Bitcoin. And then, guys, of course, we also have Fidelity, same situation, jumping on board, getting into the action, right? And saying that they will be applying for a spot ETF. Not only that, rumors that they are going to be purchasing Grayscale, which, as you guys know, is everybody's favorite, Michael Saylor's own company that, controls a lot of Bitcoin. We're talking north of 600,000 Bitcoin. So this is huge news. And of course, I really think this is what is causing Bitcoin's price to rip so drastically. All of this in the face of this news. Gary Gensler coming after Bitcoin, two largest exchanges. Gary Gensler coming after two of the largest exchanges, Binance, right? And of course, Coinbase. Crazy to see that even in the face of all that, we have a 5% rip in the last 24 hours. And of course, the big news in today's topic, right, is that there is a new sheriff in town. There's a new crypto exchange in town that just went live. So this is just more huge bullish news for the crypto space as a whole. As I have been talking about on my channel, and literally a lot of people on YouTube have been talking about for a long time, most people that are bullish in crypto have been talking about this point for a long time. We want traditional finance, and we want big name Fortune 500 companies to get on board with crypto and start incorporating crypto into their ecosystems, because mass adoption is what's going to cause the price to rip to the literal millions of dollars per Bitcoin price point that a lot of people think will eventually come. It will take trillions of dollars for that to happen, people. And if we have trillion-dollar companies jumping on ship, we will literally have the trillions of dollars necessary to cause Bitcoin to literally skyrocket. We don't even need to say moon. We will be on Saturn's moon at that point. So this is huge news, right? EDX Crypto Exchange goes live, already offering Bitcoin and what? Ether, Schwab and Fidelity. Massive news. I just felt like putting this on your radar, because all of this happening, right, in the face of a 102-point DXY, which is the dollar index, which means the dollar is doing pretty good. Not as good as it has been doing, though. As we saw, right, the dollar start to, because it's interesting, and I'm sure you guys have seen many people talk about this on the internet, but as the dollar starts to do better, the dollar index starts to increase, right? We saw it up to like a 118 at certain points, right? 120 at certain points. When it gets up to those points, that's when you know that the risk on assets are doing bad. But as the DXY goes down, that's when the risk on assets start to do better. That's when you start to see gold and precious metals start to rip. But as you guys can see right now, taking a look, gold, where are we sitting? Under 2K. And just a couple weeks ago, we were at a $2,000 gold, $2,030, something like that, looking like it wanted to make the push up to a new all-time high. So just crazy to see even everybody's favorite meme coin, Snake, over here on Cardano, right? Snake, everyone's favorite meme coin, doing pretty good with a nice little retracement from the local bottom here, you know, just a couple days ago. And last night, looking fantastic. Really, Snake, crazy meme coin. What, like less than $100 million market cap. Still a lot of potential with this project. But I just wanted to put all this on your radar, right? What's going on? There's a new project in town, new crypto exchange. Who knows what's going to happen with the FTX? I even saw some articles stating that Sam Bankman-Fried was not even going to be facing jail time. Can you believe this, people? Some people believe that there really is equal justice in this country. I personally believe it just depends what side of the aisle you line up on and who you give your money to. So we will see what happens, but that's really all I have for you guys today. Just wanted to put this on your radar. Crypto looking fantastic. As you guys can see, Bitcoin up 5%, really leading the charge and making every other project follow suit. You guys have a beautiful day, beautiful night, wherever you guys are. Dylan is out.